Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, I've been shopping. Yeah, look, we've got Scotty dogs, yay. And we've got Chihuahuas, and this could be a bearded collie, not quite sure, a bulldog. And this looks like a Shih Tzu, Beagle. Another bulldog with sunglasses on, that looks like maybe a French bulldog. Lhasa possibly, all sorts of different dogs. Oh, we've got another beagle there, yay. So yeah, what have I got in this? I didn't actually see this until I got to the till and realised, oh, I haven't got a plastic bag with me, so I will have to get a bag to put it in. And oh look, there's a Scotty dog on it. In fact, there's a, well, that's like a bluey white Scotty dog and a brown Scotty dog, and you can actually get Scotty dogs in different colours other than black. Aha. Okay, but that's a whole other thing. So this is a reusable bag, and it was from the works, yay. And it only cost £1, and it's got a good gusset, and you know I like my gussets. Means you can put lots more in, but I didn't get too much. I was really good. So it was Bank Holiday Sunday, Easter Sunday, and we went out shopping. And what did I get? A diamond painting and it's a bee. Yep, and it was £6. Okay, so we'll have a look at that. And we've got some rainbow glittery stickers. Look at those. How cool are those? I just thought, oh yeah, I've got to have those. I'm sure I can brighten up some sort of diamond painting with those. So they were £1 for the set of 6. So yeah, I really like those. See, I'm a magpie, what can I say? And then look, lots of little teeny tiny bees. There's 30 in there, look. And they're little wooden bees with a little sticky pad on the back so you can stick them on things. So 30 for £1.50. I mean, just a bargain, what can I say? So I'm definitely on a bee theme. I think probably they will go around a frame maybe, or just in the corners of a frame or something. I've got some ladybirds like this as well. I was on a ladybird theme for a while I was card making. But yeah, so these are bees, okay. And then I just had to get this. I mean, to be honest, it was on the counter, and it does say 3+. So yeah, it just really made me laugh. It's a key ring, and it's a pea pod, but watch, pop your peas. And oh, one of them's got a little face on, look. That one's got a face. So it's like a fidget toy, and you're supposed to, they're really hard to pop though. I think this was only £1, and I certainly wouldn't have paid more than £1 for it. But yeah, look, that face got a face. He's saying, don't eat me, please don't eat me. So yeah, we've got a little pea pod. And they all pop up. Oh dear, fidget toys. So that's my little haul in my beautiful bag. Okay, but the main thing I got was the diamond painting. There was a lady, I'm sorry, I can't remember your name, I should have looked it up, I do apologise, that asked me when I did my unboxing on my Christmas diamond paintings from the works, which was just after Christmas. I'd got those in the sale. Were they full drill or were they partials? Well, the Christmas ones that I did were actually partials, the Robin and the Santa. So I thought, right, I'll get one that's a little bit more expensive. I think they were normally £4. They were a 30 by 30 square partial, and I only paid £2 for them, which for £2 you can't really go wrong. And this is a 30 by 40 and it's £6, so I thought we'd see whether this is actually a full drill or a partial. But yeah, look at that picture. Oh, I'm just into bees. As I say, I've now got bee bed covers and bee pillowcases, and I've yet to put up my bee curtains, and then there may be some other bee things coming as well. So my bedroom is going to be bee themed. Yay! Makes a change from Scotty's hubby. Now, I just like the lemony colour. It's just a bit more spring. I don't mind my black Scotties for like Christmas and things. We have all sorts of Christmas bedding with Scotty dogs on. So let me just get this open. Well and truly sealed, that one. Yeah, so at Christmas we have Scotty dog bed themes. And I have been known to use it during the year as well if I've been in a Scotty mood. But this time I'm being a bee theme. Oh, so we are a partial. So I'm wondering, anybody who's got any of the other canvases from the works, are they partials too? So which way up are we? Oh, is that way up? Oh, okay. Right. Oh, it looks more like a wasp than a bumblebee on this one, doesn't it? Okay, so it says 30 by 40. There's no DMC codes, and there is only 9 colours. Goodness me. So you do get your little thumbnail, which is like the full picture. I'm not quite sure what flower he's on. Just, I don't know. So we don't know what the colour of the inside is. If you know what the flower is, let me know. Okay. Oh, that popping pea. I'm just popping for a pea. Oh dear. It's nearly as good as my rocking frog. Not quite, not quite. Or even my slap keychains. It is pretty colours though, this, I must admit. I think this would look lovely in crystals rather than just... Yeah, now then, there's a thought. There's no DMC codes, but I could probably work it out. Because there's not many colour changes. I mean, there's only 9 colours. And bluey purples, I've got plenty of those. Greens and yellows I've got, and I've got loads of 310 black. I'd probably just do standard 310 black. So, yeah. Anyway, let's have a look at these. Oh, I've got a toolkit. So, their toolkits come like the original Craft Buddy crystal art used to be similar to this, with your little round tray. There's no, like, stripes in the bottom, no ridges in the bottom to hold your drills, so you are just literally putting your drills in there and hoping they turn up the right way. Your little piece of your red wax and just a pen with a single placer on. So yeah, just a little toolkit there. Okay, so colours. Ooh, okay, well that's strange. Got 2 lots of drills. Oh dear, I hope that doesn't mean that somebody else has got 1 lot of drills, because I can't imagine that this is going to take more than 1 lot of these drills. Oh, unless, oh, so that's really odd. Oh no, because they're both sort of like smallish. These look like they've got an awful lot less in. Particularly those 2 look, they've really not got many in. I wonder if the person who was packing was having a bad day and thought, oh, I haven't put enough in them, and just thought, oh, I can't be bothered, and just put a whole new set in. Because these look a lot less, albeit the purples don't look like they've got many in either pack. Oh, okay, so this will be interesting to do. So when I do this one, I will probably just do the big bags and see if there's enough in the big bags, and then these will just be spare, probably for donation. Okay, so that's very, very odd. So, yeah, okay. We're numbered from 1 to 9. And they're numbered from 1 to 9 that way. Oh, gosh. Oh, this is fun. So let's have a look. So number 1 looks like it's blue, number 2 looks like it's purple, 3 is yellow, 4 must be the grey, 5, 6, 7. So they're the correct colours with the correct numbers on. And then you also get a packet with the wrong numbers on. They've done it back to front like I nearly did with that other painting. Oh, have they? No, they haven't. No, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, they are the right way around. They're just the other way on in the packets. What's that? So you've got 1 for right-handed people and 1 for left-handed people? Oh, why do they do these things to me? My brain can't cope with puzzles like this. Okay. Well, anyway, so let's look at these, because these are the big packs. So number one is this lovely, like, denim-y blue. And I love the royal purple there for number two. Number three is the lovely bee colour. And with there only being sort of one of each colour, I think I might do this in crystals. It's because I've been kitting up crystals and I just think, yeah, I like crystals at the moment. I go through different phases. Do you go through different phases? Oh, I do. And I just think, oh, that looks really good. I'm going to have to try that. So we've got like a slaty grey colour and a pale fawn colour and a little pop of green there and a deep brown colour and a little bit of like plummy purpley colour and then like a rusty brown colour. So that is bizarre. I've seen a few things in diamond painting, but I've never seen the drills that go from 1 to 9 and then go that way from 1 to 9. Oh dear. Oh well, it's all good fun. Oh, hi. Right, so it's another one to add to my partials list. As I say, I am listing all of my diamond paintings, and yeah, that's taking some doing. And I've got a box with partials in, and well, a folder with the partial canvases in, and then a box with the partial diamonds in, and drills. And then I've got, oh, all sorts going on at the moment. I will do another craft room tour and show you all my storage once I've got it finished. But so far it's taken me 2.5 days, well, not working continually, but 2.5 sessions to get it completely to where I am at the moment. And I would say I'm probably about halfway through. So, oh my goodness, I've got all my special paintings to do, and that is going to take forever, but never mind. So, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this bizarre bee with its bizarre packs of drills and my lovely little rainbow stickers and my little teeny tiny bees. Yay, love those, love those. And my peas. Peas in a pod, what can I say? I wish they all had faces on. I might have to draw faces on the others as well, because that's just really, really silly. They just pop up. But his face doesn't always pop out, look. Oh, that one doesn't want to come out now. But yeah, hours of endless fun, or mindless fun in that case. Oh dear. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next and see if I do put crystals on this bee, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my next videos come out. I will put just at the end a little bit of the inside of the shop and the other diamond paintings that they had. It was only a small shop that I was in though, so if you want to hang on and watch it, then please do. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. I think she does, but I don't think she quite likes the quality of them.
Different stuff.
Oh, that's good value.